Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Margaret Marie and welcome to my channel. So about a week ago, I was contacted by a company called MINTMONGOOSE, and they asked me if I'd like to try one of their jewelry subscriptions out and unbox it on my channel. And I said, well, sure. So they went and sent me this package, and this is one of their monthly subscription boxes that you receive. MINTMONGOOSE is a small business run by a mama and her two kiddos, and they live in California. In her subscription box, you will receive 3 meaningful pieces of jewelry. The cost is $15.99 a month with free shipping, and anywhere outside of the US, it'll be $10 for shipping. Now, their monthly collections come with a postcard explaining the inspiration behind each set, usually based on appreciating the little things in life, the simple life she lives with her kids, and customer feedback. Subscribers can customize their jewelry. They can choose either gold tone, silver tone, or rose gold. You get a preference if you want earrings or not. Your first subscription box will ship in 48 hours, and then after that, it'll ship after the 15th of each month thereon. Now, every 3 months, you get an awesome free gift. You get like some really cool makeup, or some cute socks, or some adorable sunglasses. You can cancel for a month, say if you just don't want to get it that month, or whatever your reason could be, you can cancel it for that month, and you can easily cancel your subscription at any time by just going online. All right, so let's open this and see what we got. I've been dying to see what's in here. Okay. All right, and the first thing we get is this pretty sealed envelope, and it says like a wax seal on it. Okay, so let me see what else might be in the package here. Oh, here's a postcard, and this is a Werther's original candy, so you get a little treat with it. And here's the postcard that it came with, and this looks like a picture of a mama with her kiddos. That's cute. And then on the back, this is the jewelry that you get for this subscription. All right, let's open it up and see what we get. Okay. First, we get a thank you card, and on the back it says, "Yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite MINTMONGOOSE jewelry pieces with the tag MINTMONGOOSE to be entered to win a free month." Ooh. Just gonna use the scissors. That makes it so much easier. Here's all the pieces. This looks like a necklace. These, I believe, are earrings. They've got little cards with every one of them. And this is that locket. I love lockets. Lockets are so neat. Always love them. So it's got the little tag on here. It says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. All right. Twist this up here. And here is the necklace. Nice, and it's got an extension too, so you can put it on any of these 3. Nice. Okay, and here's what the front looks like. And here is the back with the flower. How pretty. All right. Open it up. Wow, look at that. There's lots of room in there for a nice picture. Okay, this is really neat. All right, I'm going to try this on. Let's try this on. Now, you know what I like about these is because you're getting a set of jewelry, so you can layer your necklaces, and that is really trendy right now, are layered necklaces. So to do that, of course, I'm going to want to put it on the first little hook, so I can get this one relatively high. Wow. And you open it up, and Got photos of whoever you want in there. That's so cool. I think the idea of this one was to put a photo of your mom in there. Just a really sweet idea. All right, here's the second necklace. I'm going to open this up. And it's for March. It's a little lucky shamrock. And this too has different hooks, so you can put your clasp on any one of these to adjust it. All right. So, all right. Yeah, I like that. You can layer them and match them and everything. All right, let's check out the earrings now. Look at that. Layer it both ways like this. Put your longer necklace and then your shorter necklace here. And then your earrings to match. This is just amazing, and I love this. I just adore lockets, so this is just great to wear in my collection, and you'll probably see me wear this on future YouTube videos. I just love it. All right, well, hey, I think this is just the most awesome little jewelry subscription box. The price is right, the pieces are inspired, and this is just lovely. And like I said, you can layer it really well. All right. Okay, so there you have it. This is the Mint Mongoose March edition of their subscription box. The thing I like the most about subscription boxes is because you just never know what you're going to get. And I like that because I don't have to sit there and try to pick out jewelry and everything. It's all done for you. And if you want to get 50% off your first box, which is just like $8, you can use the description code below. The word is Peggy. You use that code and you can get 50% off your first subscription box. So what a deal. All right, well, that is the end of this video, and I'm really going to enjoy this jewelry subscription, and you should check it out too. This is really, really awesome. And Helena, you did a beautiful job, and don't forget, if you want to try this, use the code PEGGY, and you will get 50% off your first box. All right, well, that's it. You guys have a great rest of your day, and until the next video, I'll see you then, and take care. Bye-bye.